When I think of leeks, first thing that comes to mind is potato and leek soup. I grew leeks this year in my garden, and I wanted a way to use them and kind of preserve them for the winter. So I came up with this potato leek soup recipe, and I think you're gonna love it because I love it. And I don't even really like soup that much. And personally, I think anybody who really likes soup, something's wrong with them. The hardest part with leeks is washing them. So the dirt gets in all the cracks and nooks and crannies, kind of like my butt. No, it's not. That's the only joke I wrote for this whole thing. Once you get them cleaned, and really spend your time cleaning them because you don't want dirt in your soup, dice those leeks up nice and fine. You can go quite a bit high up on the green to the tougher part. It's all going to get cooked and blended down, so it's not going to really matter. And then you get to use more of the leek that way. Righto, so I got those leeks all diced up. Measure out your butter, put it into your pan, heat it up, and then dice up your garlic while the butter's melting. Then add your garlic and leeks into the butter and cook it for 10 to 15 until it all starts to wilt and smell nice. And while this is cooking down, I like to peel the potatoes. I don't mean I actually like peeling potatoes. It's literally the worst thing ever. Maybe I'm terrible at it. I tried peeling towards myself and then away. I don't know a good way to do it. What do you guys do? And then even worse is dicing them up small because we want them to cook fast. If you're lazy, dice them bigger. You're just gonna have to cook them for longer. Add your potatoes in, add your chicken stock in, and look at this piece of shit spilling everywhere. What is this? Do I not know how to do anything? Bay leaves in, thyme in, salt in, pepper in. That's it. There's not a whole lot to it. And then lid on and simmer for about 15 minutes. A little bit longer if your potatoes are bigger. It's just to get everything soft. Get the bay leaves out. Now you could take some of the soup and freeze it like that. But what I really like to do is blend it down into a nice creamy texture. And again, if I was gonna freeze it, I would freeze it at this point because the last step is to add cream. And I like to add the cream after freezing it. Yeah, after I thaw it out. I don't want to freeze the cream. That's what I'm trying to say. Or if you're not freezing it, just get the cream in there and start eating it. You get this lovely texture. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. It tastes absolutely fantastic. You can't see it on my face. I was overthinking it, but it's very enjoyable. And like I said, I'm not even a big soup person, but the seldom time I want soup in the winter, I pull it out of the freezer, throw it into a pot, warm it up, add the cream in. That's it.